G'day guys, I'm Josh here from Norri factory and I've got my R32 GTR. We've brought it down to Motorex this year. It's pretty much head to toe in Raceworks products. I met Jamie last year at Rocky Nats, who sort of looked at the car and was pretty impressed with what we were doing, and it sort of snowballed from there. So last year we decided, after we got invited to Motorex, we decided to just redo the whole car from head to toe. We did a full nut and bolt restoration. It's a fresh paint in Nissan KH2, so we actually matched the paint from the factory in Japan. It's got a billet block 3.2, and we've got a pretty unique sort of turbo on it. It's actually it's a HKS T04Z in a Garrett G40 housing, so it's a pretty cool turbo. GCG built the turbo in Sydney. The billet block, it's a little bit, we ran out of turbo, put it that way. So we made just under 700 horsepower at the wheels. The biggest thing for the car is the Attessa control. So we actually have a M-Tron ECU, which has complete control over the Attessa all-wheel drive system. So yeah, it's pretty impressive. What appeals to me from Raceworks is just the whole wide range of, from sensors to AN fittings and hoses, fuel pumps, fuel injectors and EGTs. It's like a one-stop performance shop.